let's talk about DetectaReach. DetectaReach is the new innovative product for testing your alarms. But what makes it stand out? It all starts with our ultra-low residue smoke cans, approved by major alarm manufacturers worldwide. The cans are easily attachable and detachable, making it one of the only reusable alarm testing products on the market. There's added value in recycling your detector smoke cans by saving you money and saving the planet. The ongoing costs of using DetectaReach can deliver a saving of up to 90% compared to disposable alternatives. DetectaReach has a built-in diffuser to help with better dispersal of aerosol and leaving less oily residue to block and damage the alarm. The aerosol dispersal from the DetectaReach is less concentrated and therefore much friendlier to your alarm systems than most. The safe and easy access compartment results in secure storage and transportation of all your detector smoke cans. DetectaReach even has a clip on the side for easy access when you need to move about freely. Say no to landfill and yes to refill with our new eco-friendly DetectaReach. Gas-safe Europe, multi-award winning designs and customer service for over 25 years.